Hey everybody, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to revisit a company called Eloxx Pharmaceuticals Inc., ticker symbol ELOX. We've previously done two videos on this stock, one on February 20th, 2023, and the other one on April the 8th, 2023. We're going to talk about the more recent update on ELOX. But before we get started, let me begin by saying we are not financial advisors, we are not stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey, always do your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. For example, we called PWM when it IPO'd last week at $5 a share, and we've called it every day since then. Today, it went over $30. We also called out last night and pre-market today GDTC, and it ran 200%. We also called pre-market ELOX, the stock we're talking about today, which ran up 171%. Yesterday and this morning, we called PRFX, which ran up 551%. We just made different. The early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us. So let's get right into it with Eloxx Pharmaceuticals Inc., ELOX, which is headquartered in Watertown, Massachusetts. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ biotechnology healthcare company with a $16.42 million market cap and 18 employees. Eloxx Pharmaceuticals is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company that focuses on developing novel therapies for the treatment of rare and ultra-rare genetic diseases caused by nonsense mutations. The company's lead drug candidate, ELX02, is in phase 2 clinical trials for cystic fibrosis, cystinosis, and Rett syndrome. And preclinical studies have also demonstrated its potential in other diseases as well. ELOX was established in 2013. Eloxx Pharmaceuticals Inc. raised $92 million in its initial public offering. The company's stock price has fluctuated since then. In December of 2022, Eloxx underwent a 1-for-40 reverse stock split in order to meet the NASDAQ minimum bid price requirement of $1 per share and improve the liquidity of the company's shares. On January 30th of 2023, Eloxx announced that Roche Finance Ltd. had taken a beneficial interest in the company, acquiring about 8.1% of its outstanding common stock as of December 31st, 2022. The investment was made through Roche's subsidiaries Genentech. And as part of the investment, Roche and Eloxx also entered into a collaboration agreement to develop and commercialize ELX-02 for cystic fibrosis and other indications. This investment provided a very significant amount of funding and resources and provided a strong endorsement of the company's technology and drug pipeline. It's also worth noting that back on April 6, 2023, Oppenheimer rated ELOX as an outperform and maintained it at a $50 price tag. Today, on July 11th, 2023, the trading volume of this stock was 46 million shares. The 10-day average was 53,000. It went up almost 100-fold. Today's opening price was $4.40. On the recording of this video, July 11th, 2023, the stock is now trading at $11 a share. Undoubtedly, things seem to be heating up with ELOX, and as such, we will continue to monitor the progress of the drug candidates in ELOX's pipeline, as well as any further developments related to its collaboration with Roche. We would expect to have some pullback since it ran over 170% today, but we expect that there should be some potential movement tomorrow. If more volume or a news catalyst comes in, a continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so that you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers, a lot of times. We're just made different. The early bird gets the cash. By the way, we have also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, like I say, there's no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Eloxx Pharmaceuticals Inc., ELOX, ELOX, is a publicly traded NASDAQ biotechnology healthcare company. ELOX is a company we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Will ELOX run parabolic again tomorrow? It will need a lot of volume, but who knows for sure? We are still in a bearish market. Of course, we would need to see continued volume in order to actually day trade this stock. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion, and I will have ELOX on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you on the flip side.